Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a login pin to your Xbox Series X profile. So nobody can just log into your account without knowing this pin. So this can stop unwanted people accessing your account. So on the home screen here, let's scroll up to settings and select this. Go to general and go to the right and go to online safety and family. Then go to family settings and select this. Then go to my sign in and security pin. Then on the right, we want to go to create my pin and then create a pin under here. So let's type in something and then type it in again. And you're going to have to use the buttons on your controller. Then once you have your pin created, go on down to change my sign in and security preferences. Now under here, we can go to ask for my pin. We'll ask for your pin before you sign in, buy things, launch Microsoft Edge, or change your settings. Also, you can go on down to custom right here. And then you can change the options in here. So if you want to just turn on the sign-in requirement, you can do that. And then you can turn it off for everything else. So you can even turn off the Microsoft Edge web browser if you want it. Or you can ask for purchases. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.